How to switch Binance Lite to Binance Pro. In today's tutorial, we're going to walk through the process of switching from Binance Lite to Binance Pro. Whether you're a beginner and want to access more advanced features or just want to explore Binance Pro's detailed tools, we've got you covered, so let's dive right in. First things first, open the Binance app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the app. In your profile menu, here you can find an option that is settings at the top. Simply tap on it. This will take you to your Binance account settings. Now in the settings menu, look for an option that says Binance Pro and make sure to toggle that option on, and you will be prompted to confirm your decision to switch. Simply tap confirm to proceed. And that's it. That's how you can simply switch from Binance Lite to Binance Pro.